This is going to be a very exciting recipe because we have a very special guest in the kitchen today, Anjali Patak. You have written cookbooks, you have taught cooking, you know all there is to know about these spices, and you're the granddaughter of the founder of Patak. So you're the perfect person to teach us a recipe using this beautiful tandoori paste. Thank you for coming today. What are we going to cook?
So today we're making roast tandoori salmon. You like salmon?
Yes, absolutely.
And it goes amazingly with tandoori spices. So we've got roast tandoori salmon with a garlic coriander raita.
Love it, I love it. And it looks like there's a lot going on, but I know, because we're using this jar of Patak's paste, it's going to be very easy, very delicious, and something that everyone can do at home.
Totally.
That's what I love about it.
So it's a really old recipe of ours. We've had over 60 years to perfect it. And actually, this is my mum's interview into our business.
Is it?
Yeah, so it didn't exist until my mum made this for us as a family. And it's got a range of about 10 different spices. Obviously secret only to us, but we're going to let you into some of those secrets today when we cook with it, and you'll be able to smell it.
So this is how she won over the rest of the family and became part of it. Oh, yeah. Very good. So we got to make sure this is perfect then. She's done all the hard work. I love that. All right, well, you put me to work, tell me what to do, and we'll cook up a delicious dish.
So we're going to be marinating our salmon first. We'll start with a little bit of yogurt into there, and we'll go in with some of this delicious spice base. Like I say, this is a blend of over 10 different spices.
Secret recipe. Your mum's secret recipe.
And if you smell it, garlic, ginger, tamarind, deliciousness, a lot of stuff happening that we've got in our tin over here.
I mean, I think the great thing about it is, and I always harp on about this, is to have all these different spices at home and keep them and blend your own spice takes a lot of effort. When you just buy one jar, it's so easy, so quick. Easy. And because your mum knows what she's doing, it's delicious. So I don't think I could do a better version.
Right? Exactly right.
This is your mum's home cooking in a jar.
Correct, correct. So yeah, a couple of tablespoons. Give me a little bit more.
Love that. Yep.
A really good stir.
Okay,
and then that's what we're going to be using to flavour up our salmon inside and out. Yeah, look at that.
I love the idea of this with salmon, because salmon obviously has got a lot of flavour. It's a nice sort of strong flavoured fish, so you can put a lot of flavour with it, right? You're not going to lose the salmon in it.
Correct. And it's got like that grill, it's like that grill kind of vibe. You can even smell the grill, and that's what tandoori is. It's basically grilling. So give that a really good stir.
Yep.
And then we're ready to put that all over our salmon.
I love it. It looks like the colour of salmon as well, which is great.
Yeah, it's delicious.
Perfect.
So this is just really, been prepared already. Obviously the bones have been taken out, really important. And we've kept the skin on.
Yep,
I love the skin on my fish.
Gives it nice flavour, right?
Yeah, so that can go in there.
Awesome.
Now, you don't need to marinate for too long when it comes to fish.
Yep.
So, half an hour or something if you've got time.
Perfect.
And this we're going to be cooking in the oven, but you can obviously cook it on the barbecue if you want as well. All over that. And then that's ready to then go on a tray, which we'll then put in the oven.
I've got one here.
Skin side down for me.
One piece or both pieces?
Give me one piece for now.
Yeah, beautiful.
And then on top of that, I'm just going to get a few herbs.
I like it.
So I've got chives, I've got coriander.
Yes.
I've got some dill as well.
Nice.
And I'm just going to give that a rough chop. I've got coriander, chives, dill as well. And you want just a rough chop because you want it to be poking out a little bit. It's supposed to be rustic, something for the family, so something you can make quite quickly.
We like easy, we like quick, we like lots of flavour. You're doing all those things
here. Get all that on there. And, be generous. Make it flavoured.
We're going to sandwich this together.
Yeah.
I like it.
Exactly.
I like that.
And then I'm going to go in with just a few lemon slices.
Beautiful.
So then
it's like a baked fish, but we've taken all the bones out for everyone and make it really easy.
Yeah.
And it's got a delicious marinade on it.
There you go. That should be enough.
This is great.
Here we go. Get some of that in there.
Absolute winner.
Yeah.
There we go. That looks amazing.
It's perfect. Ready for the oven.
Love that. So, how hot we're cooking it?
180, preheat your oven so it's nice and hot.
Yep.
And then we'll go in with, because of the thickness of this fillet, I'm thinking maybe about 30 minutes maximum. It really depends on the thickness that you buy.
Yep, awesome. Okay, I'll chuck that in.
Perfect. Now we've got the oven going. We may as well roast some garlic for that roast garlic coriander raita that we've got.
Okay. I reckon that's what this sheet of foil's for?
Yeah. I'll just put a little cut at the top here.
Nice.
There you go.
Love that.
Lose a little bit as well.
That's going to make it easy to squirt the garlic out and squeeze it out once it's cooked?
Yeah, correct.
Excellent.
So on here, I'm just going to go a little bit of oil. A little bit of salt.
Love it.
And we can wrap that up.
Nice. Keeps it all in there, helps it sort of steam and roast.
Yeah, half an
Awesome.
hour.
Perfect. I'll just chuck in the same tray with the salmon, huh?
Yeah, perfect. There you go.
All right, so that's going to roast for half an hour, and we're going to come back and finish off and have a delicious dish.
Yeah, correct.
Oh,
Yeah.
I'm so excited. Actually, that looks amazing.
Doesn't it?
Smells incredible.
Yeah, that looks special.
How good is that?
Delish. So, should we make up that garlic coriander raita now? We've got that roasted garlic.
Yes.
So let's get the yogurt on the plate. And then with this roasted garlic, we're gonna be squeezing as much as you can get out of there into here, I think.
And spread it all over the...
Yeah, spread it all over the base, because we're gonna be putting that lovely, delicious roasted
And you kind of mash it into it as well?
Yeah, mash it on top. Yeah, there you go.
So like a really rustic raita.
Yeah, correct. And let's get some coriander in there as well. So I'll give that a chop. If you can season that with a bit of salt for me.
Of course I can. So what got you into cooking? You're obviously very good.
Just being around food all day, you know, living with my mum and my grandma, being in the kitchen the whole time. Those smells, those spices.
Yeah, your house just smelled pretty good growing up.
Yeah, it was amazing. It smelled like this.
Yeah.
Like all day, every day. It was something going on.
You can't knock into food.
Can't not. So give that a little bit of a stir for me now. We've got the coriander, and I will get this ready for us to place it. So you can see how this is perfect for kind of the family.
Stunning. So this would be something you would have had for dinner at home growing up?
Yeah, correct. We'd have it more a little bit on, like, I would say, kind of, you know, a family meal, so like a bit of a Sunday kind of vibe, because I feel it's, you know, it's quite special. It looks quite special. If you make it into individual fillets, then yeah, that's like a midweek thing for me.
Yeah.
But otherwise, I love to like use this for entertaining. It looks pretty mega.
Beautiful. I mean, if you had a big family, you could do a whole 2 sides.
Oh yeah. Oh, totally.
Amazing.
And then we're going to think about serving this with a really nice side salad.
Yes, beautiful. So something fresh and crisp to go with it.
Yeah.
Well, Angela, that looks amazing. What are we calling it?
So this is roast tandoori salmon with a garlic coriander raita.
I love it. And using your mum's secret recipe tandoori paste.
Absolutely.
I think this is one that everyone's going to love at home. I can see lots of people cooking this one. So thank you very much.